1952 Bentley Mark VI James Young Coupe. Price: $49,950. Location: Delaware, USA. The 1952 Bentley Mark VI James Young Coupe you are about to see is not just another classic luxury car. It is one of the rarest Bentleys ever created, with only 12 examples believed to have left the legendary James Young coach building workshop. Finished in stunning Regency red with a beautiful sand beige interior, this extraordinary automobile represents a golden age when luxury cars were handcrafted masterpieces rather than mass-produced products. The first thing that captures your attention is the elegant two-door coupe body. Every line flows gracefully from front to rear, creating a timeless silhouette that still turns heads more than 70 years later. Unlike modern vehicles that often look similar to one another, this Bentley possesses a unique personality that reflects the artistry and craftsmanship of post-war Britain. The chrome accents, distinctive grille, and refined proportions give the car an unmistakable presence wherever it goes. The interior tells an equally fascinating story. The luxurious sand beige cabin welcomes passengers into an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. Rich wood trim stretches across the dashboard, while classic Smith's gauges remind drivers of an era when automobiles were built with pride and attention to detail. The rear picnic trays, opening quarter windows, glove compartment, and elegant appointments demonstrate that this Bentley was designed for distinguished travelers who demanded both luxury and practicality. The power beneath the hood comes from Bentley's respected inline six-cylinder engine paired with dual SU carburetors and a 4-speed manual transmission. This combination delivers the smooth, refined driving experience that made Bentley famous around the world. The engine was engineered for effortless cruising, allowing drivers to enjoy long journeys with confidence and comfort. Even today, the mechanical sophistication of this classic British Grand Tourer remains impressive. The exterior equipment further enhances the vehicle's appeal. Lucas fog lamps, gleaming chrome trim, chrome bumpers with guards, white wall tires, and 15-inch steel wheels create an appearance that perfectly captures the elegance of the early 1950s. Every component was carefully designed to complement the car's luxurious character while maintaining Bentley's reputation for quality and prestige. The rarity of this automobile cannot be overstated. When only 12 examples exist, ownership becomes something far more meaningful than simply possessing a classic car. It becomes an opportunity to preserve a unique piece of automotive history. Many collectors spend decades searching for vehicles with this level of exclusivity, provenance, and craftsmanship. Cars like this rarely appear on the market, making every opportunity to acquire one incredibly significant.